Nature to me, it's my home, our home, so it's everything. My name is Michaela Skovranova and I'm a nature and environmental photographer. Favourite moments in nature are the ones that you get to forget that you're even a human being. I feel like those moments require allowing myself to really immerse myself in the environment, not to be preoccupied by anything else, especially if I'm photographing. So I love being able to just stay even in a very small part for a length of the time to really get to know a place. The photography, it's a bonus, I think, for me. Without having that connection first, I'm not able to really create the kind of work that I want. So it's always, this photography is secondary. I think we've lost a sense of stillness. We do live in a fast-paced environment, and I think photography has the ability to really slow us down, unravel something in front of us, and really bring you to enjoy a specific moment in time, immersing oneself in nature. So really allowing ourselves to experience it without any expectation of what nature should give us back. I loved watching the moon rise over the water, and even though it happens quite fast, there's so many different moments within it that you get to enjoy. And I think just also having time to stop and watch the moon reflection on the water and how it illuminates the landscape as well. I love that it doesn't have to be witnessed by anyone, and it's just beautiful continuous cycles of life, and that it's been here before we were here and it will continue long after we're gone as well.